So a lot of you are asking that we have already claimed 750 credits. A lot of you are having more than 750 credits too. So what is the actual use of this particular credits? Because a lot of comments are coming. So I'm making a video regarding it. So if you have participated in the Arcade Facilitator program, you must be knowing as per the syllabus, you have to complete skill badges also. So for completing the skill badges, we require a credit. Let me show you a live demo over here. So I'm just opening the pre-assessment skill badge. The sheet link is in the description box of this video, that is master sheet. From here you have to click on this particular link. Then you'll be redirected over here. Here you can see all the badges and solutions are there. On the right side, the main solution sheet, which I am updating now, is there. So you can start from this sheet also and this sheet also. There is no restriction. Now we are talking about mostly about the badges, right? That credits points. What are the use of this particular 750 credits? So if I just open it directly, you can see over here that first of all, here multiple labs are there. We have to complete only the required one, right? So just click on start challenge directly and you'll be redirected to the challenge lab. Okay, so it's currently unavailable. Do not worry about it. We are showing you a different example also. So I think it is now live. Yes, it is now live. You can just click on this arrow. Here you can see it's asking for 1 credits, right? Here it's asking for 1 credits. Sometimes it may ask for 5 credits, 7 credits. So without these credits, you won't be able to start the lab. Unlike arcade game, where you used to just click on start and the lab used to start. But here you can see this lab cost 1 credits. So this is the main importance of credits in the Arcade Facilitator program. You have got 750. And a lot of you might be wondering how I got 2103. Okay. So because I participated in different events also and I'm having my personal credits too. So that's why it's showing higher than yours. Do not worry. I think 400 to 500 credits are more than enough because we have very limited skill badges, 66 only, right? What is lab token? You don't have to worry about it. It's nothing, just a number which is provided in some other countries where credit system does not work. Mostly, I think in China. Okay. Or any other country where they perform the same labs. Okay. So you don't have to click on it. Just click on launch with credits. 1 credit will be debited and you'll be able to start the lab. So this is a thing. I hope I am able to clarify all the queries. Credits are used for completing skill badges because they require some credits for startup. You can say just like you want to buy something, you have to pay money. Similarly, the process works over here. So I hope you are able to understand each and everything. If you want to participate in the Arcade Facilitator program, I have attached the video link in the description. From there, you can register and get the bonus points. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.